From the Blocks folder of your master data library, select the block or blocks that have changed. Open the Options menu and select Charts, Update Block Types. From the first dialog that opens, you can select which projects within the multi-project you wish to include in the update. From this dialog, you get a list of blocks that will be updated. You can deselect any that you don't want to include in the update. If desired, you can read back values from the online blocks to the blocks that are being replaced. The default readback settings are to read back only parameters that have associated OS tags. Acknowledge the prompts. Close the log. And now the update is complete.